How's it going, everyone? This is my iPhone 15, and this is how you properly install a glass screen protector on it. This will work for any iPhone 15 models, so all of the Pro Plus models as well, so not to worry. First thing you want to do is shut your iPhone off. So you want to go into Settings, then you want to go down to General, and then you want to go to Shutdown, and then slide to power off. That's gonna make it easy to see any bubbles or anything on your screen and align it properly. So we'll put that aside. And then the screen protector that I do use is by JetTech. JetTech is one of the best companies for glass screen protectors. I'll link it down below. This pack includes 3 screen protectors for a great value. So if you screw one of them up, not a big deal, you got an extra one, or if you break yours eventually, you can replace it with another one. So you get 3 screen protectors. So you get the 3 screen protectors themselves, which are these right here. They are actual glass themselves. So very, very nice to have it. So it's got the same feeling as your screen once you install it. And then you do get an alignment tool. So you can place this on your phone to align it when we install it. I'll show you how to do that in this video. And then we do have this little pressure tool, which we can press to heal our screen protector. And then there is this little package right here that you get, which will have a couple other things that we're going to use. We've got a little sticker pad to remove any dust off the screen. We've got a white cloth, and then we've got the wet cloth. I'm not going to be using the wet cloth because I use Whoosh. Whoosh is a glass screen cleaner, and it's something made specifically for electronics. I'll link it down below for you. It's my favorite glass screen cleaner. So let's go ahead and grab that. We'll open it up, and what we're first going to do is we're going to spray the screen, just a couple of sprays, and then we're going to grab our cloth and we are going to wipe it completely down just so that there's no fingerprints or anything like that on there. As long as your screen is pretty clean before, you don't have to spend too much time doing this. There we go, so that's done. Then we're gonna grab our piece right here to align, and there is a part that says top and bottom. You wanna make sure your top is on the top of your screen. So we're gonna go ahead and place that down, and it will just snap on. It will heal right along the sides. There we go. So once that's down, I'll give my screen one other wipe down, just like that. And then we're gonna grab our sticker piece right here. And this is really good to get any sort of specks of dust that might have come from your cloth or that are around you. So you wanna remove any sort of specks of dust. So very, very good, just like that. You can have a close look at it to make sure there's no dust specks on there. It looks like this one is fine. We're good to go. Now we're gonna grab the screen protector itself, peel off this part. Your sticky part is on this side right here. And we're gonna immediately place it from the top and align it in that alignment tool, just like that. And then you wanna kind of press a little bit as you go down just to allow it to heal from the top to the bottom and just release it down. So now you can see it's starting to heal. Take this off, and then you wanna grab this tool right here, and you just want to press it down, just like that. If you see little bubbles, it's not a big deal because you can press those all out. So we're going to go ahead and use this tool and just press those bubbles out. There we go. I think we are good to go. Everything looks like now we're fine. Any sort of little bubbles, you can just use your finger to press them out because you get a little bit more pressure. And there you go. You can see now looking perfect. Grab your wipe down your screen. There we go. And there we go. My phone is back on. And as you can see, the screen works perfectly fine. It doesn't even feel like I have a screen protector on there. So it works amazing. Then I'm going to grab my case itself. I've also got a JetTech case. I love this case as well. I'll link it down below for you as well. And we're just going to put that on there. And there you go. So this will work perfectly fine with your case and your glass screen protector. Everything is good to go. So if this video was helpful, make sure you hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.